In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily hide apps and games on Play Store on any Android device using Parental Controls tool. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, head over to the Play Store. Now, just to demonstrate you how it works, I'm gonna search for some game. Let's say Standoff. As you can see, now I can easily find that shooter here and I can install it on my device. However, if you would like to protect your kids from the games which may contain some violence or something like that, you can easily do so. To do that, tap right here at your profile picture and then head over to Settings. After that, tap at Family, and that's where we can easily find Parental Controls. First off, guys, we need to turn on this feature. It will ask you to create content pin. You will use this pin to change settings for Parental Controls. I don't recommend you to use pins that can be easily guessed. Don't use pins like 1111 or 000. And then once you entered a pin, tap at OK, then re-enter it and tap at OK again. After that, tap at Apps and Games, and that's where we can configure age rating for apps in the Play Store. By default, it is set Allow All including unrated. However, we can select any age rating simply by tapping on it. To turn it to most restrictive mode, we can tap at Rated for 3+ and then hit at Save. Once it is done, we can head over back to the Play Store homepage, and then if we search for Standoff, we are not able to find this app anymore because towards the top it says that Parental Controls restrict downloading of this app. If we hit at Manage, it will ask us to enter PIN code to get access to the Parental Control settings. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.